So I really wanted one of my final videos of 2023 to be an overview of wearing mini braids on my hair for a whole year. So showing you pictures of how I got through the challenges, showing you some and talking to you through some of the challenges as well. Of course, mini braids has its benefits and its drawbacks, and I've done videos on that for you. So once again, check out my playlist for more detailed information than you might find in this video. Welcome or welcome back to Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. Yes, you heard that right. This is our final video of 2023. I wanted to use a time to reflect on how I grew my natural hair out this year and what this last year of my natural hair journey felt like, what I'm going through, where I'm at the moment, and probably touching a little bit on what I'll be doing in 2024 so you know what to expect. If you like content like this, if this is your first video, I make videos on growing your natural hair, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll find a reason to subscribe. Thank you so much. Once again, for lots more detailed information, do check out my playlist section where I go through each challenge week by week, giving you information to grow your natural hair. So we started off 2023 with a mini braids hair growth challenge, following on from 2022. And that was also a long challenge. Now, my challenges have been getting longer, but I've been sticking to around about the 12-week mark. And so through that first challenge of the year, I wanted to gear you up of using this method for growing your natural hair. From the start, so from those set of challenges, I gave you 7 reasons to try mini braids on your natural hair. Namely, mini braids is really cheap. If you can braid, you can mini braid. They're really easy to maintain. Yes, I put a lot more effort into my mini braids. You don't have to follow my exact regimen and you will get results. So check out those individual videos. I'll try to link some of them. I'll try to pop some of them down in the description so that you don't have to be trying to find this info. But through that first challenge, I really sold on you why we're going to use mini braids this year, and I set forth our first mini braids challenge. On that challenge, I got about 2 inches of growth, and I was really inspired to grow my natural hair after that. I thought to myself, by setting smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound goals, by achieving that in the first, quarter of 2023, of course, by the end of the year, I would have got enough inches to get to waist length. Remember, waist length for me at the back of my hair is about 17 inches, and so at the front of my hair was already over that. So all I needed to do was get the back of my hair there. Of course, it is a natural hair journey and there are ups and downs. After that mini braids challenge, I did embark upon a mini twist challenge. That's a lot of fun, and I will review that in a separate video. But you can check out my mini braids playlist, my mini twist playlist for lots more information on how to use mini twists to grow your natural hair. Another fantastic method of growing your natural hair. So do go ahead and check that out. I did indeed do roller sets on my mini braids. So mini braids are very versatile. I gave you that as a reason to try it. You can style your mini braids into other style. Indeed, you can cornrow your mini braids and wear crochet braids over it. You can wear your wig over mini braids. But having that as a style, showing your hair, your own natural hair in mini braids for all the world to see in all its glory, up to week 12, looking like it's almost locked, is still beautiful and such a great style. It all depends on, your individual hair strands, how much or how many weeks you can go. So once again, if you've never tried mini braids before, one of the drawbacks is that you might lose some hair like I did. So I never say start an 8-week challenge. Start very small, perhaps a month, and then build that up 6 weeks, then 8 weeks, and then 12 weeks. And if you can't, if 4 weeks is enough to give you a lot of growth, because indeed a lot of women have a much better growth rate than I do, then you can stick to a 4-week challenge. So I also applied henna on my mini braids to help me to grow my natural hair. Once again, reviewing my regimen. I will be doing that in one of my videos in 2024. This is not specifically something that you should try. And of course, reflecting on my hair and my hair loss, I don't know how much of it was attributed to doing such a strong protein treatment on my hair. Perhaps that those particles were stuck between my mini braids and could have caused some of the breakage that I saw, especially at the front. However, I must stress that mini braid is still a fantastic method. Remember, when you see videos on YouTube of ladies growing out their natural hair, it's about picking specific bits of that and applying to what best works for yourself. It's not really copying a person's regimen line by line. You want to adapt that regimen to suit your hair and to suit your lifestyle. So I pause here to say in 2024, also, subscription will be a good part of my channel. So you'll be getting a bit more from me if you subscribe to my channel. You join as a member. I created a playbook. I created a 3-part playbook for mini braids. It's still accessible by the time you see this video, but those videos are really going to go private soon. And in those, I give you a complete, they're like books. It's like a 3-part book on everything you need to grow your natural hair with using mini braids. So catch them while you can, because a lot of my content is going members only. I'm going members only because I realize that mini braids is a specific niche, and of course I do want my channel to slightly venture onto other things. And so if that is what you're really interested in, then the really small subscription fee will be really worth that for you. You'll be able to almost get coaching from me if you become a member of the channel. Once again, I'll be setting that up, and lots of information in the first quarter of 2024. Roll on then, I did all of those challenges, 3 mini braids challenges this year. I also managed to squeeze in a mini twist, and perhaps that was too much protective styling. Once again, that could have been a reason for my breakage. I also talked to you this year about using virgin hair fertilizer as a good growth aid, but also I've gone into using much more natural growth aids, which will be available for sale in 2024. Growing your natural hair is not dependent on a product. It's dependent on patience. I always say that consistency, having a solid regimen, being committed to that regimen, and you will see results, especially using mini braids, where you're basically leaving your hair alone to grow all by itself. It's in a protective style, and you basically can do the minimum. Your hair will thrive. If you've gotten to this point in the video, do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It means that you are interested in growing out your natural hair. If there's any way I can help you, pop your question down below in the comment section. Also, hit the notification. I've posted so many videos on my channel that probably are not seen because the notifications are not switched on. If you switch your notification on, as soon as I post something, you'll be able to see. Thank you so much. So that was 2023. 3 mini braids challenges, 1 mini twist challenge, a lot of growth, a lot of twists. I put out so much videos this year. Over 100 videos I put out this year. So if you're really looking for ways of growing your natural hair, check out the whole playlist section. Let the playlist section be your friend. Plenty of information also in my community section. I want to say thank you so much to my whole community. You have been fantastic, growing consistently over this year. I appreciate every single one of you, every subscriber. I smile for your subscription. So thank you so much for your input into my channel. And I see that you really are leaving great tips into the community section for the community. So thank you. I'll be looking at ways of how I can interact with you more and hopefully getting to know a lot of you a lot more in 2024. So here is my hair, through the ups, through the down, through the breakage. I am now at waist length. I'm going to claim waist length. If not now, when, right? And so for the last 2 years, getting from really bad damage hair to this. And I'm just really glad to continue my YouTube along with everything else I have going on. I want to also take this opportunity to thank you all just once again, and also have a fantastic 2024. If your goal is to grow your natural hair out, there is one channel that's going to have, it's already got over 300 videos, right? Almost 400 videos teaching you how to do that. And whatever journey my natural hair takes, those videos will still be able to help you to grow your natural hair out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.